Your goal is to make them guess as many sounds as possible from the card. Don't let them see the card. You have 5 seconds to get ready and plan your sounds. Then, you will have 10 seconds to make your noises. When the music stops, you start. Make noises only. If they got it correct, you get the points. But no words, and no acting. 1 point for easy, 2 for medium, 3 for hard. Rack up those points, get loud, get silly, and make them get correct. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. How did you do? Drop your score in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a game. Keep the fun rolling, check out the next video and bring the noise.